We compared so many shed sizes, functions, maintenance, and all that important stuff because we needed a shed that would last us for a long time and, of course, be within our resources. So I was beyond thrilled when we finally found this, and we have had this for 7 years. And let me tell you, getting it from Amazon was such a lifesaver for us because they deliver it right to your door, and I was able to stop looking for it in stock at nearby stores and didn't have to borrow a truck to do this either. This has lived through 7 Michigan winters, so I know it doesn't look brand spanking new, and please excuse our current outdoor mess, but this shed is awesome. Firstly, I love this latch system on here. It's very smooth, and of course, we put a number lock on here when we need. The doors open a complete 180 degrees, and you can see that we fit so much in here. We currently have 4 bikes in here, and my husband built this wood shelf in here since we did not have any tall items we needed to store in it, and it created even more space. I did have all our patio furniture cushions up here, but these are the only two I haven't put out yet. It has heavy-duty sloped floors and strategically placed vents to keep fresh air in so nothing gets moldy or damp.